Yeah. No, I like everything. All right, we are here at the Monroeville Mall, which is about to be demolished. This place is historical for horror films. This was the place where they filmed the sequel to Night of the Living Dead, which was called Dawn of the Dead. There was a museum here, might still be here, I'm not sure. We did visit that once, and I do believe we do have a walkthrough of that museum on this channel somewhere, if I recall properly. This is the second time we've visited here during our trips out for Monster Bash. Actually, this weekend, the same weekend that Monster Bash was an event here at the Monroeville Mall. And so here you can see the sign, Monroeville Mall, and this is where the zombies attacked in Dawn of the Dead. So here is some interestingly gimbals you see there. If you remember our Devil Bat episode, we made a joke about gimbals. Here's the Shalom. How you doing? So Monroeville, this is in a suburb of Pittsburgh, about 20-minute drive from Pittsburgh. Hi. So some interesting history here. So here they do have an exhibit about Dawn of the Dead. Surprised they couldn't find a better poster to put up here. These seem to be, here's George Romero and some scenes from the film. I never actually, Millie, did you ever see this movie? Yeah. So here were some events that took place there. And here's a Guinness Book of World Record. Largest gathering of zombies involved 894 participants at the Monroeville Mall in Monroeville, Pennsylvania, United States on the 29th of October, 2006. Approved Guinness World Record. So more pictures here. And again, this is a historical mall. So I see here someone say how nice it is.
We need to box real quick.
What's that? All right, let's see.
No hiring correctional officers.
Yeah, well, that's the county jail.
Oh, sorry. Nothing to do with you.
I'm not a correctional officer.
Yeah, but they're your coworkers.
Yeah. So we'll do a walkthrough of the mall, see some stuff here. So
It's just going to fall off the face. Does it still have that, like, thing? Living Dead? Is it still
there it is.
Put on YouTube Kids now. We have to ask them what's going to
You guys want to go through the museum again?
I want to ask them what's going to happen with the museum. They're going to, yeah, let's just destroy it.
Or they're going to move it somewhere else?
We're going to keep this place.
And we've already been here. There's a Living Dead museum there.
Yeah. Good. You're just sort of asking what somebody was just
The mall is 100% owned by
Oh, it's not? Oh, okay.
So there are no plans submitted to the local governments or anything yet.
Okay, good.
So we don't know what's happening with that.
Because we heard otherwise and we were panicking.
But we just found out the other day during the event, the mayor of Monroeville had a little news conference. And the question, Six was asking what's going on with Monroeville, with the wall and the Walmart and everything. And he came on straight up and said, we have no idea. There's no plan submitted to take it down or to leave it up. So everything that is happening is not happening.
Right.
So hopefully that means that we're here for more years than next year.
Yeah. Hey.
But if we do have to move, we will move it. I don't know where yet, but we'll be some location somewhere.
Someplace. Okay.
So it's like it's gonna be disappeared. We're not gonna take down the.
No, we'll move
So
somewhere.
move somewhere.
We have to get out of the mall. We'll find somewhere to go.
Okay. That was our main.
But this is the best place to have it.
We've been
Oh,
here
yes,
before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Do you guys want to go in or?
No, it's
No? We've been here. We have been here. We appreciate it. It was very nice. Thank you. Thank you for the good news or hopeful news.
Yeah, no, you turned us up a lot.
Yeah, it was fun. It's interesting. It was the same weekend.
Yeah, we were surprised too that they
Yeah.
looked at it against us and like.
A lot of it has to do with the hotel. They don't have, they don't have much control over that. So, because we caught up with Mr. Lobo last night. So, yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Take care. Thank you. So there's some good news that the mall is not necessarily being demolished. So, what? No, I'm talking to my camera. We're doing a walkthrough.
Mommy, can we go into Victoria's Secret?
Time space event space. All right, so again, we're at the Monroeville Mall, which good news that we just heard. This, contrary to rumors, this place is not being demolished necessarily.
Official.
Yeah, nothing is official yet. Yes. I just follow the family. It looks like these boots are made for walking. Hello. Hello.
Good idea.
Wow, shoes are expensive. I'm saying even the sale price is not. Payless is not around anymore. Walmart still has
Have you ever
shoes
heard the
for.
story of like in Brooklyn, there's these girls who were getting made fun of not having brand name shoes,
Yeah.
and so they were like, yes, we have brand name. We have from the fanciest brand name to less. You just never heard of it. Yeah, those are.
Here's. Boots are made for walking. That's just what they do.
One of these.
For those shoes. Oh, a copyright strike. What? It's not like they have like a DVD playing. It's just what's on TV. Shoe store. Remember Al Bundy? Married with children? Oh, good. He worked at the shoe store. What? He's not in that. Well, that's a totally different time in history. I don't know why we're in the shoe store.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I'm just following mommy.
The left has made it quote in order to be in the shoe store.
What? I don't talk like that. Neither does Glenn Beck.
Yes, he does.
That's not what he says. He's. I gotta be careful not to get Bluey on my show, or else I get
Quite
demonetized.
frankly, we need to bomb Israel, quite frankly. Netanyahu, awful man. And that's why I'm signing an executive order. We're signing an executive order to make Netanyahu fall off the face of the earth, quite frankly.
Yeah, I don't think that's how that works.
Why do you sound like Hillary Clinton?
Yeah.
Look at it. You.
Wow, it's like a dinosaur, isn't it?
That's cute. That's like cute. That looks.
Yeah. It's
From the side, it's cute.
I don't know. As a dinosaur fan, I'm kind of offended by that design there. Did you see that dinosaur croc?
No, let me see it.
It's like,
It goes too far. Oh, it's a face?
yeah.
Why are you doing that?
I don't know what kind of dinosaur that would be. All right, we buying shoes?
Mommy saw it. That's my girl. The girls were freaking out.
Yeah, but when I don't want to get my channel demonetized. Disney, they have lawyers who still write letters with stamps.
Liars.
Quite frankly, Disney, awful man, massive anti-Semite.
No, that's not true. That's just something they made up later.
Quite
Katie
frankly,
Vance?
No, Walt Disney.
Yeah, he's not a anti-Semite. Also, he's dead.
And he's also not frozen. They did not freeze Walt Disney. That's also a lie.
Where's his grave?
He was cremated.
well, quite frankly, we need
Yeah,
to
that's true.
destroy.
They have to like take a hammer, and cremation is quite an awful thing.
We need to destroy all Ford facilities.
Only
because
3% of people know what this is.
What is it?
Ford,
Is that like a Sikh symbol?
he was
It's
an
only-
awful man.
No, it's an adapter for records.
Oh, it's a Sikh adapter for records.
Only 3% of people, only 3% of Gen Z and Gen Alpha know what this is.
What does it adapt? Meaning
For
like
like the 45s, they have like really big holes.
right?
And they don't fit in regular little tiny pins, so it like makes it fit.
All right, I'm sorry to be so boring. Maybe end it for watching the live.
Quite frankly, I'm signing an executive order to stop you from ending the live stream. We
All right.
still have to bomb the Ford facilities, quite frankly.
Boogly
Now you
boogly.
can end it. Quite
Can we go now?
Yeah.
No.
I just gotta make sure I don't show anything from Disney, so I don't get. Yeah.
You don't get Louis.
All right.
We're waiting on the girls.
Okay.
signing an
Wait a second.
executive order.
I gotta
to
flip
tell
it back
you
around
to-
from me.
I'm signing an executive order to tell you to shut off the live stream. Turn it off.
No,
Bye bye.
Just pause it for me.